The GoPro Hero 9 Black is coming, and here is some latest information. GoPro does launch their brand new action camera in the month of September every year. The last year GoPro introduced the GoPro Hero 8 Black on 1st October. All GoPro fans are being crazy for the GoPro Hero 9 Black just like me. There is a big reason for that. In the action camera industry, there are so many action cameras out there, but GoPro action camera is still leading. The first GoPro camera has landed in 2005, the GoPro 35mm Hero. Ever since then, GoPro continued to unveil their action cameras, and they were the best action cameras when they landed. Eventually, the GoPro Hero 9 Black release date is around the corner. We are just about to enter into September. Then we will get to know the official launch date, same as the previous year. The launch date might also be delayed due to the destruction which is happening in the world. One side, some electronic companies are introducing their products at the accurate time, and on the other side, some are delaying. Having said that, we just hope GoPro might be working well. GoPro could launch the Hero 9 Black between the mid-September to the last September. Otherwise, GoPro will bring it at the beginning of October. Don't expect a lot more from 2020 GoPro action camera. We all know what happened the previous year. There was a big hype of previous year released GoPro Hero 8 Black, 8K 30fps, 4K 120fps, the larger screen, the bigger battery, the 1-inch larger image sensor, and an improved GP2 processor. At the end, what happened when they landed? No any rumor specs was similar to actual specs of the action camera. That did have 4 years old hardware with a new software. Only the design was changed a little bit. The design was also hated by some tech reviewers as well as GoPro users. The GoPro Hero 8 did have inbuilt mount bottom of the camera, which was not good by any means. No matter how much you get that tight, but still it does move sometimes. There was also a big problem in non-removable lens cover with the Hero 8 Black. If the lens cover get damaged by falling the camera, your entire camera will be spoiled. You can't even change the lens cover. That is non-removable. You will have to change the entire camera. That is a huge downgrade for the GoPro Hero 8 Black. We just hope these two features will not be included in the GoPro Hero 9 Black. GoPro is the biggest action camera brand, but they have never used better and larger screen in any GoPro action camera yet. Not having a larger screen is also a downgrade for the GoPro action camera. When DJI introduced their first action camera, the Osmo Action, that did have a 2.25 inches, some sort of larger screen compared to the GoPro Hero 8 Black 1.95 inches screen. DJI Osmo Action does have not only the bigger screen but also better screen, decent sunlight visibility, unlike the Hero 8 Black. Whereas DJI provided the bigger screen in the Osmo Action last year, at least GoPro is supposed to provide the bigger screen in the Hero 9 Black. The size of the GoPro Hero 9 Black will be similar to the GoPro Hero 8 Black. After the Hero 8 Black, GoPro introduced some accessories like display mode, external frame, which does also have a shotgun mic. These accessories will be usable with the Hero 9 Black too. The image stabilization will also be improved over the last year. GoPro does unveil the smart action camera at the same price point, $399. Even GoPro Hero 9 Black will be cost at $399. Do a comment below how much curious for the Hero 9 Black and what you want in this action camera. By the way, a great thank you for watching the video. I will see you in the next one, and now I wanna wind up the video.